Why don't seniors mind moving into tiny houses? Because they can't remember where they put their glasses anyway. And now, let us explore 11 practical tips on tiny houses for seniors. Tip 1. Consider accessibility. Designing a tiny house that takes into account mobility and accessibility issues is a topmost concern for seniors. Choosing a single-floor layout, incorporating wide doorways to accommodate walkers or wheelchairs, installing accessible storage spaces that don't require bending or climbing, and designing bathrooms with safety rails and walk-in showers can all ensure the tiny house is suitable for seniors. Tip 2. Pay attention to lighting. Natural and artificial lighting should be ample in a tiny house for seniors. Elderly people often experience deteriorating eyesight, so having plenty of light can make their living experience better. Apart from windows for natural light, install task lights in reading, cooking and workspaces. Tip 3. Prioritize safety. Safety measures such as non-slip flooring, sturdy handrails and grab bars in critical areas, like the bathroom and stairs if any, and easy access to emergency exits should be prioritized in a tiny house for seniors. Keep the floor clutter-free to prevent tripping hazards. Tip 4. Design for comfort. Comfort is key in a senior's tiny house. Opt for comfortable furniture that supports good posture and doesn't make it difficult for seniors to stand after sitting. Invest in a good quality supportive mattress and make sure the bathroom fixtures are ergonomic. Tip 5. Space management. Because of size constraints, you have to get creative with storage solutions. Use multi-purpose furniture that can also serve as storage space. Vertical storage is another good idea, provided things are kept at a reachable height. Tip 6. Think long-term. When designing a tiny house, think long-term and account for any potential health or mobility issues. Things like door widths and wall reinforcements for future grab bars may seem trivial now, but can make a big difference in the future. Tip 7. Keep maintenance minimal. Senior citizens may not like to keep tending to home repairs, so choosing durable, low-maintenance materials for construction and finishes will make their lives easier. Tip 8. Ensure proper insulation. With age, the body's ability to regulate its temperature decreases. Therefore, a tiny house for seniors should have proper insulation to ensure comfort in all seasons. Tip 9. Personalize the space. Personalizing the tiny house for a senior will make them feel more at home. This could be through their preferred color palette, personal memorabilia, favorite books, or plants. These small touches can have a large impact on their comfort and mood. Tip 10. Install modern amenities. A tiny house doesn't mean one must give up on modern comforts. Appliances like a dishwasher, washing machine, or air conditioner can be included depending on the senior citizen's lifestyle demands and budget. Tip 11. Ask for professional help. Hiring an architect or interior designer experienced in designing homes for senior citizens can be helpful. They will have more knowledge of safety regulations, permissible limits, and specialized equipment for senior homeowners. A professional can ensure that the tiny house is both functional and aesthetically pleasing.